In today's video, I'm going to show you Juice Star app review. Is it a fake cash game scam? Juice Star is a puzzle game, fruit matching or tile clearing that claims players can earn real cash by playing levels, watching ads, and completing milestones. The app is fairly popular, with millions of downloads reported in some stores, and it's labeled as free to install. On the surface, it looks like many cash game apps that lure you with promises of payouts, easy withdrawals, high rewards, etc. However, multiple reviews and user reports suggest that these promised rewards never materialize in any meaningful or reliable way. Several users say that once they accumulate the in game cash to reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, often set very high, like $300, the process stalls. The app may show processing, introduce delays, or start reducing earnings per level dramatically, so you never actually get close enough to withdraw. Another warning is that early on the game seems generous. You clear a few levels, see your balance rising quickly, maybe even very high amounts for easy tasks. But as you try to push toward the payout threshold, the rate of earning slows to almost nothing. Ads become more frequent, and payouts become increasingly elusive. This pattern is typical of many apps designed to monetize user attention without delivering the promised rewards. No credible proof has surfaced that users have successfully withdrawn significant earnings. In App Store help forums, some players claim they've been waiting a long time for payments that never come. Verdict: Juice Star looks like it's more of a scam or, at best, a very misleading app when it comes to earning real money. It may be okay for casual fun or playing a puzzle game. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.